everyone, it's Lori at Pizazz Studios. I hope you're doing very well today. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I have something coming up that I wanted to make a short announcement on, and it is a collaboration between myself and 4 other artists. I saw a photo that I absolutely loved the colors of, and so of course I just had to do a painting. So I decided to do a collaboration, and I have 4 other artists that I'd like to announce, and if you could go to their YouTube channels and subscribe to their channels and show them a little bit of love, that would be much appreciated. Thank you. Let me just tell you who they are. I'll also list them down in the description box for you guys. This collaboration will be uploaded on June 20th to YouTube, probably midday. First of all, we have me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I will be doing a bloom. Dave from Dave's Acrylic Pouring Art, he's going to do a swipe. We have Sarah from Colorful Creations by Sarah. She'll be doing a puddle pour. We have Yen from Yen C Art. He'll be doing an open cup. And then Brian from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry will be doing a Dutch pour. And so the colors, I'll show you a photo of the picture I saw that I absolutely loved the colors, and I just had to do a painting that inspired me to do a painting. So the colors in it basically are red, orange, yellow, turquoise, white, and gold. But I just wanted to announce that, and that'll be on June 20th. If you need to mark your calendars, if you'd like to do that, that would be great. We appreciate you watching all of them and subscribing to our channels and hitting those like buttons and everything. It does help us out on YouTube as artists, and we do appreciate all the love and support we receive. It does encourage us to keep creating and making more videos for you. I love what I do. I love you for being here, and I appreciate you. And enjoy today's video. And like I said, June 20th. So mark that down, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Welcome back to Pizazz Studios, everybody. This is Lori, and I am painting on a tile. It's a 4 1/4 inch ceramic tile. And I'm just putting down my house paint here. This is a white house paint mixed with Golden's GAC 800 and a little bit of water. I'm gonna just spread this out here on my tile. I will have all the paints and the brands and everything I'm using down listed in the description box for you, so you can reference that if you'd like. So I'm laying down my house paint, just covering all the edges, all the sides of the tile here. I'm going to spin this out. I'm going to even out my paint a bit. First color I'm going to put down is Primary Blue. That's the first color. Next color I have is a Primary Elements color art called Sunflower. It's a pretty golden yellow. The next one I'm just putting down is some Amsterdam's Titanium White. Then I have a metallic paint. It's the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Metallic Paints, and this is called Aquamarine. Obviously not looking to be too neat with it. I'm just sort of throwing it down. Oops, excuse me. Like literally throwing it down. Drop my stick and everything. And then I have copper. This is from Artist's Loft. This is Artist's Loft copper. And then I have crimson. Okay, I think that looks good. I have a black cell activator I'm going to use. Oh, you know what I want to do too? I think I'm going to lay down a little more of that sunflower on top of that red. I don't think I want the red to be right at the top there. I'm going to put this down. Just a tad, a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put down the cell activator and I'll blow it out. Excuse my head for a moment, please. Oh, pretty. Nice. I might even blow a little bit more up there. Yeah, that's pretty. It has some really pretty copper in there with the sunflower. Sometimes when you blow too hard, it distorts the paint too much, so I didn't want to do that, but I feel like maybe it could have been a little bit further over to the edges, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Okay, I'm letting it sit just for another couple minutes here. Let it come back into the center of the tile. I'm gonna add some more white around the edges here, so that when I spin it, these edges will flow off nice and evenly. Boy, under the lighting, this is really pretty. Wow. Let me give this a spin. Go back the other way a little bit. Wow, pretty. Boy, I'm tempted to almost leave the negative space at the corners because it looks so pretty. I don't think I'm going to though, because I have so much paint up here. I do need to get this corner flowing a little bit better though. Now a little paint over here. There we go. All right, let's go this way with it. Give it a spin. Okay, we're almost there. Wow, I do like this tile a lot. You know what it is? The sides here are a little on the dry side. That's my problem. I didn't notice the sides until now. All right, one more spin. Okay, that looks pretty neat. I gotta say, I like this an awful lot. I like the bottom of the tile. I'll give you a close-up. I'd love to hear from you guys. Don't be shy. Leave me some comments. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this one. Comments and questions all welcome down below in the comment section. I will get back to you. Okay, I'm going to give you a close-up. It's really pretty. Let me take this off the spinner and give you a better view too. All right, guys, I took it down off the spinner. I have my phone in my hand, and we're gonna zoom in here. Give you a better close-up. The cells are pretty. Different sizes, different colors. That Aquamarine, very shimmery, metallic. I like the blues. I actually like the red and the gold together. All right, well that's neat. I like it. That's the video for today, y'all. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon on the next video. Hit the thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind. I truly appreciate that. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.